Namecheap is celebrating their 25 years anniversary, hence they are giving out free domains to the lucky persons like you and I. If you are lucky and you see this video and you have been wanting to get yourself a good domain, this is the opportunity you have to get one domain for free. Mind you, you are going to be paying 20 cents for your ICANN fee. ICANN fee is just a fee you pay to register your domain to ICANN, and that 20 cents is just about 300 naira. If you are in Ghana, it's less than 3 cedis. So you can just say that you are getting this domain for just 3 cedis or 300, even less than 300 naira. So if this video is for you, stick around. Let me walk you through how to get this domain using this special code I'm going to display. And guess what, it is not just for one domain. They are offering free domain to .online domain, .site domain, and .store domain. These three are totally free. And .com, that is supposed to be almost $10, and some are selling it for $17, some are selling for $15. You are going to be getting it for just $6.95 using the code I'm going to be giving to you if you stick around this video to the end. Now, one good thing about this is that even if you don't want to host any domain, even if you don't have anything to do, you can buy some of these domains with good names that are sellable. Buy them for as low as 300 naira or 3 cedis, and then you list them on this same platform, on this same Namecheap. You pack them up there for sale. Now let me show you something. Let me type the name of my own, which I have secured already. So I'm going to search it and let's see what happens. So it's loading up. We will allow it to load. Please, if you are new to my channel, I am Emmanuel EOEnet. So please, if today is your first time coming to this channel, kindly subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you will be notified. For my wonderful returning subscribers, I say a very big thank you for being part of the community. So right now, I just searched for Enet Digitals. This is not what I want actually. By default, it's going to show this, but my own is .online. So let's go down and search. You will see Enet Digitals, or just to tailor it for a better search and for a quicker one, I'll just impute this enetdigitals.online. So now when you go down and search, you will see that this domain Enet Digitals, no, I made a mistake. Okay, so you can see that this has been taken. Enet Digitals has been taken. It belongs to me, and if you check here, it says this domain name has already been registered. However, you can make an offer to the current owner to see if they are willing to sell it. Can you see that? And it is showing this because I have already logged into my account. But if I am not logged in, it will still show me this, but it's on this place where it says add to cart, it will show make offer. So automatically from here, someone can actually buy the domain you have already purchased, and he will buy it at your own price. How cool is this? So now let's just do something random because we are trying to see. Let me show you that truly this thing is working for free. So I'm going to go ahead and search for this domain, Trendify. Everything, mind you, everything has to be in small letter .store. Okay, this has been taken already, so let's check so I just try to give this another. It has been taken as well. Wow. So you can see make an offer here. That's what I was trying to show you before. Make an offer. So let me search for something else. Let me just take this purely goods. Let's see. Taking. Wow. So let's just do something random. Purely vivid or purely vibe store. Okay, this one is available. You can see now that is 0.98, but don't worry, I'm going to walk you through and you will see that is actually going to be $0. So now I'll go down to this place. No need to go down, so I'll just click on it. Has been added already to my cart, so I'll go to my cart. This is the cart here, and click view cart. Don't forget, I develop website, I build website. If you know you want me to do any kind of website, is it e-commerce website, is it real estate developing website, or property website, any kind of website, even shipping website, I do all of that. So don't hesitate to contact me if you want me to build one for you. So now it says I'm going to go ahead now to check the one. This one has been purchased already, so I'm going to cancel it. This is not what we want, so I'll check for the second one, purely vibe. Yeah, this is what we want here. You can see that it's now 0.20 because the domain, the promo code has been added. So this 20 cent you are seeing is for icon fee. You can see it here, icon fee. This icon fee is just to register it online, and it's $20, and this $20 is just less than 300 naira, or less than 3 cedis if you are in Ghana. So this is just it, and once you are done, you can see, once you are done, you go ahead and click confirm order. I don't want to buy, I just want to show you. But once I click confirm order now, I'm going to be charged 20 cents for this. So please, my system is running down. I'm going to end it here, but don't forget to give me a thumbs up. I will also embed the codes in my description below, so you copy it and then use it for your purchase. See you in my next video.